Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni page but subscribe ya u Antor News.
Ya kapat singat jong kajing kop thei bhariew kabala tep kum ka Miss Universe Meghalaya kablalong ha vivanta khandailat la palai pai ba dau menteri katrat jo kai parthei uba poleng do uba longru kum ukong san bad u commissioner bad secretary katrat arts and culture uba FR khorkongor hani kasngi balang Kati kajing pelai pai ba uba Dominic Savio ula syak thung kum u state director jong ka Meghalaya da ka Miss Meghalaya organization. Lasdang ya kati kajing lang da ka bapelat ya ka syap da uba FR kharkongor kad ba uba polling do ula pelai pai ba ya kapat sengiat kaban penkup ya kathi bhariew kaban ra ya ka nam la du ha kati kajing yakom. Hakani kajing lang layadon lang ru u Amjad Khan u Director of Operations and Marketing jong ka Miss Universe India ka Arsina Sumbul ka badai ka Miss Grand International India Arza Arpulai bad ka Sophia Singh ka badai ka Miss Asia Pacific India Arza Arpusau bad ya kani kajing lang lapan ya da ka Miss Meghalaya Organization Uba poleng do ulapan pau ya ki senjam ki ba ka sarkar kalsiam ban kersan ban kentiu ya ki sap ki phong jong ki samla ha ga jala khamtam ha ka bai dei bat karwai ka tem ka put bat ki wei bat ulapan pau ya ka jing kham jing mot ba ki riam tan rai ki ulapan mi na ka jala Meghalaya kinyo ya ka jing thu hapo kari bat ha ka leng kiri
Thank you for sparing a valuable time to
Ula
be with us.
kenturu ya ki
And
samla ba ki dei ban
Miss
mi
Grand
syakmat ban pen
International
i ya ka jing
2023
timit
and
tan
Miss
rai ka
Sophia
jongki
Singh,
ha ka
Miss
liang ka
Asia
arts
Pacific
bat ki
India
wei
2024 to kindly take the seat on the dais.
As people who walk the ramp, not only within this country but also abroad. And as Minister in charge of tourism, this is one very important aspect of tourism here in Meghalaya. Our soft skills in music and the fine arts, and also as Minister in charge of sericulture and weaving. We have a plethora of our own indigenously crafted dresses and fabrics, which I think it is high time for you to take to the rest of the world. There is a saying in Khasi, Kambyang ban shuyapan, kakambyang banyaai. It is not sufficient to borrow, it is also, in fact, it is more important to give. Let the rest of the world be mesmerized, be enchanted by the wealth of our textiles. In the nook and corners of Riboy district, for instance, we have mostly women who have spent, and today they are in the second and third generation, weaving patterns on the fabric, but most of these are not even known by many here in the capital city of Shillong. We need to take those fabrics to the rest of India, to the rest of the world. And the aim is for us to go global. Frederick has mentioned a few of our inherent strengths. The fact that we had legislators turned ministers back in the 1950s, the fact that we had somebody like Congrose who became ultimately the chairperson of the UPSC. These are some of our the faces that introduced the women folk of Meghalaya to the rest of the world. He has not mentioned one thing, which I think he left it to me to do so, which is that
And we also have with us Miss Irene Dikhar, who the Miss Meghalaya organization has had such amazing women. Thank you for sparing a valuable time to be with us.